Okay, so this is interactive elements of a story. As you can see, it tells students like what exactly a story is. And then if you click Tell Me a Story, it'll start reading to you. And if you need to, you can pause it, or you can mute it and read it yourself. So if a student has trouble focusing on a story by listening and they need to read it themselves, they can. And then you just go through the entire story, and there's certain checkpoints and stuff. And then you can go into the different story elements, and it'll have different activities. Like if we go into setting, and we're going to mute it again just because it's easier for this scenario. So we're going to read, what element, comment. Comments, every story is a setting, and then it says let's explore. So you're going to click the time and the place, and so alright, so Cinderella's in a castle, and did I click it? Okay, yeah. And it's, I guess, technically the past, because it was once upon a time. And you click done, and it tells you whether or not you're correct, and you just keep going through the different things, and there's different activities for every single one. And then when you're finished, you can test your skills. So the students will enter their names. We're just going to use my name as an example. And then you click next, and you go through the different questions. And like I said, this can be a pre-test. And the test after they go through all the activities, before they go through the activities, see how much they know. Then go through the activities, see how much they learned. And then after you're done the lesson, you can go and do this again. And most of them should get 100%. If they're not, then you can see kind of who's struggling in the class with getting this concept and who's not. Okay, so we'll just answer this, which is not a characteristic of Cinderella's villains. They're obviously not kind because they're villains. And I'm not going to complete this entire test, but you get the point. So yeah, I think regardless of the fact that it's only Cinderella that you can do, I still think it's very, very helpful for students, and it's very good, and it's good for the teacher too, because they get a sense of where the students are at. Alright, yep, that's it.